If you are looking for a zesty topping for your fish, look no further. You've got to try this tomato and olive salsa. I've cut up some cherry tomatoes, some black olives, green onions, capers, and basil. I've also toasted up some sliced almonds. I'm going to add that here. And I'm going to sprinkle this with some black pepper. Now, notice I'm not putting any salt because the olives and the capers are very salty already. I'm going to zest up some lemon. Now, this is a kind of a small lemon, so I'm going to use 2. So I want it really nice and zesty. Make sure that when you're zesting, you don't get the white part because it's kind of bitter. So 2 of those. Smells amazing. Then I'm going to juice the lemons. In the recipe that I have 1 large lemon, so you have to just kind of apply it to that. Squeeze it out. You're going to love this recipe. We're having walleye tonight, and this is going to be the topping for our walleye. Lemon, and then about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to mix it up, put it in the fridge. And not only is this a great topping for fish, it can also be a great topping for a crostini. So let the flavors marinate and then put it onto your fish. Enjoy.